Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Just a quick video here just to announce the winner for the 150 plus subscribers giveaway that I put up a week ago. I'm just gonna put the URL, I'll enter that into the box and then I'll search for it, and we've got 10 unique comments, and then I'll just click on start and it will pick a random winner. So good luck to all of you. Oh, Linda Giles, well done, congratulations, and thank you so much for entering the competition, the giveaway. Congratulations again, and thank you very much for being a subscriber. I hope you stick around because I've got lots and lots of other videos that I'll be bringing to you all. Many thanks for taking the time out to enter, and take care. Bye for now.